Hello everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial on creating amazing videos with Canva and Nero. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to use these fantastic tools to make eye-catching videos. Let's dive right in.
Before we dive in, I'd like to ask for just 5 seconds of your time. Could you kindly click that subscribe button? Wow, thank you so much for your support. You're truly amazing. Now let's get started.
First, search Canva or use the link on the description for free 30 days of access to Canva. Once you're on Canva's homepage, click on the app. Now, choose the avatar by NeroAI and click Use a New Design. You can pick any avatar that suits your video style. At the bottom, you can paste or type your script. You can also select multiple languages, but for this video, we'll choose English. To match your avatar's style, you can preview different voice options.
This audio is generated with NeroAI technology.
If you're happy with the voice, click Create Your Video. NeroAI will generate your video in minutes. To resize the video, click Set the Video as a Background. But remember, the Remove Background feature is not available during the free trial. Don't worry, we've got a solution for that. Now, open CapCut using the link provided in the description. Click Share to download the video you created in Canva. Once you're in CapCut, select the video and choose Cutout. Then, scroll down and select Auto Cutout to automatically remove the background. Now, let's choose a suitable background. Click on Media, and then go to Library. Here you can search for any video or photos to use as a background. With the background in place, you can now make any final adjustments or enhancements to your video using CapCut. Once you're satisfied, it's time to export your masterpiece.
Hi, welcome to MoneyfestingAI. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.
If you found this tutorial useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.